Blah blam. Here we go. Hopefully finish the Jeep today, buddy. What do you think of that cup? Dang. Wish I could remember the name of the artist, but picked it up at a farmer's market. Of course. I saw it and I was like, yeah. The thing I like about it the most is it's like a functional piece of artwork. Definitely paid artwork price for it, so. But, you know, that spoke to me. Heading to the mountains now, though. Take the necessary steps to end the city living. And it's not that I don't like the city. It just doesn't suit my personal needs, and it's too hard to find center when you're hit by all sides and constantly compromised. So that's why I'm choosing to separate from all of it. And you know, I've given it a good go. Tried real hard to fit in with society and whatnot, but I just don't feel like I belong, you know? Practice some raps on the way up, and I'll see y'all there. Boom! We have arrived. Windy as hell out here, though. Whatever. Got all kinds of cars to fix. Back here in the Jeep. Yeah, buddy. Just gotta pop that bad boy back in. Let's get to work. So this is the piece that held me up last time. Man. So I had to pull that out. Got me some new ones. So we'll put it all together and see what happens. Alright, it's a little ghetto rig, but hey, it's a Jeep, right? Now look what broke. Dang. Set up in my Jeep. I'm gonna melt these two pieces together. Like that. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so let's hope it works. And I'm gonna go ahead and just light that on fire. Nice and melted. And stick that in. Like so. The smell of burning plastic. Gotta love it. Alright, well, now I kind of feel like another good option would be to melt some plastic on it. Kind of use it like glue. Good. Just try not to breathe the fumes in. Alright. Definitely doesn't look pretty, but I sure hope it does the job. That was just a little spit in there, you know. Now let's see. Doesn't seem to be any air leaking, so I think it did its job. So, just connected this bad boy, that connection here. I grab this. We're just gonna pop it in there where it's supposed to be, and connect the wire harness. check engine light on, so that sucks. Brake light's on, which is good because the brake's on. Oh my god, look how dirty it is. We'll ignore that. Part time is on because we are in two-wheel high. Oh my god, look how dirty it is. We'll ignore that again. And we just need a new windshield because this thing sucks. Alright, it's victory time. It's all gone well. It's been a long time coming with this Jeep. So I'm really happy that she's in working condition now. Because that means I can go back to being a independent person. Yay! You know what I just realized? I don't think I drank any water. Next on the agenda, do a fluid change on this bad girl and see if that helps her with the transmission slipping issue. I hope it does, because I would hate to have to do a tranny rebuild on this, since this is already a rebuilt transmission. To be honest, if I was gonna have to do that, I'd probably just buy a brand new one. That way I could just pull it out, put a new one in, call it good, you know. But I'm gonna do the differential gear fluid. Already did the radiator fluid, oil change, and then a transmission fluid change and a transfer case. So that's next on the agenda, and it looks like I'll be able to do that pretty easy. I just don't want to do that in the wind, because yeah, liquid draining out of a vehicle, then a big gust of wind coming and blowing it all over my face. Man, I'll pass on that. Big pass. So we'll do that next time. So until next time, keep it sleazy.
Through the snow, I miss facts. I'm a riff-raff, stone cloak, any mishaps in my past. They all taught me how to become a better man. Move with the passion that'll move the soul, destroying all the cowards' masks. Let the truth be told. I was forced in a fight, yeah, target for life, and hard-head, wanna be Spartan type. Yeah, they larger than life, that the young wolf bites. And they back in the corner, acting awfully nice, think I'm partially blind, but I see through the skies that they have.